currently underway is looking at ways and means to ease waterlogging effects on cotton plants. If successful, growers may be able to avoid the losses experienced under very wet conditions. Dr. Mark Ellis, postdoctoral fellow in CSIRO's plant industry, is growing cotton under hydroponic conditions to simulate waterlogged conditions and hopes to have an answer to the problem in 2 to 3 years. We asked him if the project is attempting to transform cotton plants and update genes already there.
What we're trying to do is we've taken the 2 genes that lead to the production of ethanol, PDC and ADH, and we've introduced extra copies of these genes in the cotton plant. And we hope that by increasing these genes, the plant will be able to produce more ethanol and therefore to use up sugars more efficiently under conditions of waterlogging. What I've done is I've used genetic engineering to introduce these genes into cotton, and now these genes have been introduced and I've obtained transgenic line. At present, I'm evaluating these lines and I'm investigating how much more PDC and ADH these lines have, and also how much more ethanol they can produce under conditions of simulated waterlogging. I've used a cotton variety, an American cotton variety, on the basis that it's very easy to transform. However, if my results are promising, obviously we will transfer all these genes into Australian varieties. Waterlogging is a very complex thing, at least waterlogging in the field. Many things happen. So what we want to do is to simulate that better, and especially look at the effects of low oxygen concentrations and isolate one factor. For this, we're using hydroponically grown cotton in controlled glasshouse experiments. We hope to be able to test specifically the cotton root's ability to tolerate low oxygen. If the glasshouse experiments that I'm conducting prove promising, we could do some field trials within 1 or 2 years.